হ্যালো, আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আমার এটা আসলে এভাবে দিলে বেটার। হ্যাঁ। হ্যালো, আসসালামু আলাইকুম এভরিওয়ান। ওয়েলকাম টু ইউনিক সাজিয়া ব্লগ. It's been a while that I've been doing this, and since I was um got sick last time, and everything got changed. So I am sitting with my Fanta, and I love Fanta. This is just my childhood best friend that every time I feel like I want to have a good time, I just buy Fanta and have my good time. সো সবাই দেখতেছো যে লাইক আমি শার্লেট টিলবারি থেকে অনলাইন থেকে কিছু অর্ডার দিছি। আমি শার্লেট টিলবারির জিনিস কিন্তু ইয়ে থেকেও অর্ডার দিছি অনেক, সেফোরা থেকে পার্সোনালি গিয়ে আমি কিনছি, বিকজ সামথিং ইফ আই ডোন্ট নেভার ইউজ বিফোর আই নেভার বাই ইট লাইক অনলাইন। সো বাট এইগুলা আমি ইউজ অ্যান্ড সব কিছুই করা শেষ। সো I like their boxing. It's like open brown and open this color. This is very chic and glam. I like the packaging. Overall, it's this color. It's like chocolate and silver. My jewelry is from Shein. I got, it's very cold. Like I always got cold, and this is from Shein as well. So let's do. Excuse my mess. I've been always messy after I got sick. So this whole packet, it's eco-friendly, and let's see, they put some colorful paper. The paper is two-tone color. See, it's very shiny. I like so shiny, girl. Like if you're a girl, you know that you have to have shiny. I like this color. This is like peach pink, dark peach pink. So I like this color so much. Okay, here's my stuff. And this is total very this is like a glued, like the two-sided. So it's like made, it's normal, not like other. So I'm learning packaging, girl, because it's for my Deshi Shadi in USA. I've been changing a lot of things. I'm planning to do many things. So I am liking this stuff. This is giving me new ideas. Packaging, your product is all about packaging. So here's my stuff. I got some free stuff. I want to try their magic hydration cleanser. No, I am not going to buy their full size. This is just one time. Maybe I'll use it. I am not good with. So this is, I will try this one. So in future, I will buy the big one. So what did I order? So first I ordered the powder. the powder. So airbrush powder, and I got medium. I've been using powder now almost 3 months. I never use powder, foundation, or a setting powder or anything. I've been, oh my God, look at this. This is so smart. Like this packaging, I like it. I like it. Airbrush finish. So you just have to, no, it didn't break. So excuse my mess. Let me use my hand. I got so many compliment when I use the foundation. So I was thinking to use this powder. It's just similar to what this is, complexion perfume micro powder. So this is similar to Huda Beauty setting powder. So this is the packaging. I think I love their product from, instead of buying from Sephora, I like they send me like this. So I got another foundation. Okay. You know, I forgot what I ordered, so let's do this. Okay. So I order another foundation because I think I'm going to finish my last bottle, the one I bought. So I got medium and tan. Oh no, I got cool and Ford. So this is my second bottle. I'm very excited. This is my, oh my God, what this is. What did I order? Oh, this is a sample. This is a setting spray. I have the bigger one. This is a sample spray. Sample day. I choose them and they sent me. It's awesome. Like I can carry for my travel, and trust me, that setting spray is very, very good. I've been using their packaging. I don't think it's best. Like it's just not glue well, but I don't care. Like this, it's not like, you know, this glue, it's dry, or they're very they didn't care. I don't care also. So magic cream, I want to try their magic cream, so I am thinking to buy next time maybe. So this is my buy list, so I want to try this one. This is also a sample magic body cream, and it has caffeine, it has hyaluronic acid and shea butter. It glow, so I don't know. I am going to for body, but it's okay. For travel purpose, I'm going to keep it. I like my body, like I'm an India girl for my body. So this is something, the reason I shop online, because they give us a good deal for this. It was 72, but I got it in 48. So I'm not that girl, like, okay, spend money, get your Hollywood Love Glow one. I like that. I like their packaging, like I'm going to keep those boxes because I love the color. Like, this is champagne gold, so I love liquid, what this is called, liquid blush and liquid highlighter. I love their liquid blush and liquid highlighter, so I am going to, this is, I think I can buy like bigger size, but let me try this because I really don't want to purchase large size and then I regret it. So let's see. This is a highlighter, easy highlighter and easy blush. I'm like, my skin is so dry, so I've been using liquid highlighter than blush. So আমি ব্লাশটা খুব পছন্দ করতেছি। আমি অনেক রিভিউ দেখছি, so it's been a deal. And look at the highlighter. আমি highlighter girl. I am the, I like highlighter. I am not so much blush, so this is kind of like tap 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 and it's there. I am kind of like highlight girl. Then I like this color. This is totally my color, so I like this blush. So here is the stuff. Okay. So here's the stuff. Borrow minute. Okay. And here's the stuff. So this is what I purchased from, so these are free. This is free and free. So these three things I purchase and this is all free. Okay,